Hi everyone, this is Mrs. St. Laurent again. Today I have a game that practices some multiplication skills, and this game is really geared for students 3rd grade and higher. So all you need for today is a piece of paper, a writing utensil, and a deck of cards. So with my deck of cards, what I've done is I've taken out all of the face cards. So the jacks, the queens, and the kings are out. I left the aces in because the aces will be ones for us. So first off, you're going to shuffle up your cards. And you'll also want an opponent for this, but I'm doing this game solo since I don't have a partner that can do multiplication with me right now. And this game is multiplication with dots, I guess would probably be a good name for it. All right, I'm going to tip the board down a little bit here. So here's my deck of cards. So when it's my turn, I'm going to draw 2 cards. I've drawn a 10 and a 1. So what that means is I'm going to draw, so one of the cards is going to be lines that I'm going to draw vertically, which is up and down, and one of the cards will be lines drawn horizontally, which means lines drawn across. So I'm going to go ahead and draw 10 lines up and down. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I did my 10 lines up and down, and I have an ace, so 1 line across. So here's my picture. Actually, I should show it this way to you because that's how I drew it. 10 lines up and down, 1 line across. At each point that there is an intersection, so where 2 lines come together, I'm going to draw a dot. Let me draw those to show you. So every time those lines come together, I'm going to make a dot. I'll continue after, but I just want to show you what I've done so far. So see how those lines are coming together, and at the middle of them, at the intersection, I color a dot. And I'm making my dots a little bit larger so you can see them. And now I could predict in my head, but I'll count them just to make sure that I'm clear. So let's look at how many dots I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So what I have just done is I have done 10 times 1, and that equals 10. The number of dots I have is my score. And I have made my first multiplication number sentence. So if I was playing against an opponent, my score would be 10, and now it's my partner's turn. So I'm just going to put an S next to those. That's me. And this will be for my partner. So my partner is drawing a 6 and a 3. So let's say they decide to do their up and down lines first, which is vertical. I'll do them over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See how I have drawn 6 lines up and down. Now I need to draw 3 lines across. 1, 2, 3. And here are my 3 lines across. Now I'm going to go ahead and make dots every time those lines meet. So right there would be 1, right there, right there. I'll make those dots for you. Maybe I'll count as I go. 1, 2, 3. That was 1 column. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Look at my dots. Each time those lines came together, I drew a dot. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So I'm going to write, I did 6 columns and 3 rows. So 6 times 3 equals 18. I'm going to put a P next to that because that was my partner's turn. So far, here's my score. And we can add up the score as we go. But right now, my partner would be winning because they have 18 and I only have 10. And we would keep playing, like maybe you'd play a total of 5 rounds. You should decide at the beginning with your partner how many rounds you're going to play. But that is dot multiplication. Have fun multiplying.